Hello all, Jamie here from Craftmania, and today it is that time once again. We have got 4 boxes of Hunkydory goodness to share with you. Now, I don't actually remember what's in these boxes. These have arrived while I've been away. As many of you know, I've been up north for a demo day. So I've come back today and found this little lot of goodies to take you through and share with you. Now, I don't know quite what's in here, but I can already spot there is some newness. There is some Christmassy goodness already, and I'm looking forward to taking you through that box in particular. But we'll start at the very beginning. We'll start right back down here with box number 1 and see what we can find, shall we? Because I have a feeling there's going to be a few surprises throughout these as we go. Now, before we even dig in, we often get this question: where do I go? How do I buy these goods? All of the items I'm going to take you through right now can be found on the Craftmania website, www.craftmaniacrafts.com. We're going to put a link up in the description to this video wherever you may be watching it that will take you directly to the Hunkydory page. But if you do happen to land on the website from any other source, do not fear, check out the brand section. All of the brands we carry are labelled for you in alphabetical order. Click Hunkydory and everything we're going to take you through is going to be on there. We actually carry over 10,000 items on that website from many, many different brands. So you might like to have a look around while you're on there. On top of that, with Hunkydory, there's 10% off everything as well. So you're going to get 10% off, free U.K P&P if you spend over £15, and on top of that, Inner Circle reward points to boot. So there is no better time to be shopping Hunkydory with us here at Craftmania. Or of course, you can pop in store and see us here at Craftmania, 5 Hewitt Road, Clapton Hall Industrial Estate, Great Yarmouth, Norfolk. Now these are coming back in stock. These are, of course, the very cool rainbow scissors. Aren't they beautiful? That lovely shimmer that runs down the blades is beautiful. And then we have got for you some script embossing folders. They are returning back in stock. One of our favourites, that one. We always love a script, whether it's a stencil or a embossing folder or whatever it may be, a stamp. Then we've got Hunkydory tent fold cards. So these are the ones that join across the top, not down the side like traditional card backs do. They join at the top here. And of course they come with their envelopes as well. Then from here, we are going into the Miri box. We've got lots and lots of the Miri mats. So we've got 6x6 rainbow, 7x7 gold. We've got the pocket pads in the silver. We've got the pocket pads in the rainbow. We've got the pocket pads in the gold. Then on top of that, these have been so popular. These are only coming new a couple of weeks ago to us here at Craftmania. These are the pocket pads where you get 80 sheets and they come in all different Miri colours. So you can see there's a whole rainbow of colours going through in that pad. Lots and lots of choices to play with, and they're going to match the tones that you're going to find in pocket pads in general. So a great place to get all those matching colours. We then have returning back in stock the little book version of those as well. So the little books once again have lots of different colours. There's 60 sheets in those ones, giving you a whole rainbow of shades to work with throughout all of your little books. Then we move on into box number 2. Now box number 2 is bringing us some of those little books we're talking about. This one, of course, is the birthday humour pack. Now let me get this right. In this one we've got 120 cheeky birthday messages featuring 20 different designs. That's great because it means we're going to get multiples of each design, so you might either fall in love with them and worry about using them, or maybe like the little frog there that we can see, maybe you want to layer that frog up and decoupage it, and that's going to give you the ability to do that. Then we move on. Look at these. How cute is this? I believe that's a corgi dressed as a Christmas tree by my reckoning, but I'm never very good at guessing which dogs are which. But in this little pad, there are 150 GSM coated pages, and you're going to receive 64 pages that are A7. That's 16 designs, 4 of each. They are super, super cute and very adorable. And I'm pretty sure I'm saying that they are new. These 2 are new. These are the traditional pads. Now that is certainly something that's going to be added to my basket. I love traditional Christmas. Those baubles, those lovely vintage Father Christmases, the poinsettias, that's all a bit yummy to me. That's definitely where I am with Christmas. So they're new. Then we've got this one. This one is the Snowy Days and Frosted Nights pad. Again, 16 designs, 4 of each design in there. And again, this is very me all over. I like a traditional looking Christmas item. Marrying those up with that beautiful Miri card, I can see my card is going to come together very nice, very quickly, very easily. Now there's lots more pads going through here. I'm not going to read out every single one of them, but we'll give you a little overview of them. So we've got our beautiful botanicals. We've got Christmas in the square ones. These are coming back in stock. They did come in before and sold out. There's another sunflower one. Now there is, oh my goodness, look at this little lot. So there's our beautiful Midnight Forest. This is new, I believe, music to my ears. So all different musical instruments running through that one. Then we've got the Highland Cows. This one is Highland Wildlife, and that one is once again a returning one. I have a feeling that might be our best seller. Then we've got Mystic Moments. Mystic Moments is a new one to us here. That is really beautiful. Looking at that one, all of those kind of dragons and skulls, little fairy doors. That's a very much needed one, isn't it? I like the look of that. This one's coming back in stock as well. The steampunk designs, that's returning. So is the men's leisure time. So we've got footballers in there, we've got hiking, we've got painting, we've got cycling, all different men's hobbies running through that one. The Gnome Body Does It Better pad is also returning with our beautiful gnome. How cool is he? There he is on his guitar, he's playing football, he's out in the garden. That's a great little pad to have in your collection. Perfect Pets is a returning one as well. So we've got mice and cats and dogs and bunny rabbits all running through that. Then we've got gardening days. Now that time of the year is of course coming up to us again, once again, isn't it? The spring is springing. We are getting ready to go out in the garden, and I have a feeling that one's going to prove very popular. We've got another one of the gnomes, and we've got the Best of Britain pad. Now this again is a returning one, but we have got the lovely iconic view there of Big Ben. We've got some different scenes from around the country. We've got the White Cliffs of Dover. We've got some beautiful beach huts coming in on that one too. Again, 16 designs, 4 of each. Then we've got the Majestic Butterfly. I don't know if that one's new. I have a feeling that might be, but very blingy, beautiful looking pictures there of butterflies. Now, of course, you could add some glitter to these. You could add your glazes to these. You could add all of your different texture pastes and mediums to them to give them a bit more sparkle and glitz if you wish to. Then there's more of that majestic one, more of that sunflower one, and more of the £100. Now we are moving on to something that is brand new. These are exciting. Let's have a look at these. These are the Hunkydory stickables, and they are handmade by labels in a pad. So with these, you are going to get 600 elements. There are 24 8x8 self-adhesive pages packed with foil labelled die cuts, and you can see in those you've got all different versions of handmade style stickers. There is certainly a need, aren't they? And then also new to us is the Christmas version too. So you might like to see these. This one again, 372 elements of all different Christmas foiled envelope seals and address labels. Then we have got address labels and envelope seals in every day as well. So made for you, special delivery, time to celebrate, it's your birthday, with lots of love, all going through those. And this one has 372 elements in it as well. They are brand new to Craftmania, and I believe the handmade ones it is the brand new version. If you want to see more of this in detail, or you want to see it without the glare, don't forget, check it out on the website. You'll see all of it on there much easier. Then we've got the Duo Designs paper pad. This one is the Frosted Flowers and Winter Breeze. That's returning into stock. So is the Clockwork Curiosities pad. This is one of my personal favourites. I love all that steampunk look. That's a really beautiful pad to be able to play with. Great for masculine cards as well. And you can see just how many elements you're going to be getting in that one. There is a whopping 48 pages in that pad. Then we move on to the Die Cut Delights, or Delightful Die Cut pads. So these are A5 pads filled full of die cut elements. There is the Delightful Die Cuts, which is balloons and parties, which I think is one of the newest ones. We've also added to our collection the teddy bears, I believe. I don't think we've had the heartwarming bears before. And we've added the musical instruments. So this again might team up nicely with that musical pad we looked at earlier. These are also new to us here at Craftmania, which is the Vintage Stamps die cut. So all of those elements die cut for you to just pop out and use on your creations, whether they're in your journals or of course your scrapbooks, or of course your cards. Again, I believe this one's new to us, the Festive Friends die cut pad. You can see I got a bit carried away. Deck the Halls, I believe, is also new. And then returning into stock is the wonderful Wildlife and Flowers. Those are great value, lots of components on those. You might wish to check those out online. Then we've got some of the Matastic returning in stock as well. And then these coming new on the last delivery. These are the deluxe craft pads. Great value. You can make absolutely loads with these, and they're super simple to do. There is actually a ton of stuff, whether it is your die cut elements that are foiled, whether it is your printed backing card to go with it, or your printed inserts. It makes card making super simple, and of course opens up the opportunities for you to add more into them if you wish to. You will find lots of those packs available on the website once again, but it's the sporting pastimes that's returning in stock. The A5 paper pads of Script are also a returning item. These have proved very popular. Now let's dig into box number 3, shall we? So there's a bit more of our adorable scoreable coming out of the box. Then we move on and we have got pocket pad frames. So these are the frames. These are die cut frames to go with the pocket pads. The pocket pad imagery fits within them, and you build them up to make these beautiful little frames. I have a feeling Laura will soon be giving you some more inspiration with these, but I never said that. I'm not giving nothing away, but I do have a feeling you might want to keep your eye out on our Sunday showcases for more inspiration with those. Then we have got printed parchment, or printable parchment. This is designed that you can print on it at home and make your very own printed vellums and parchment styles. In there, you're going to get 20 sheets. Then we have got a returning decoupage sheet or layering sheet with the cricketers and the golf. So again, a kind of male pastimes effect. Then if we dig into the bottom of box number 3, this is where we go for our Christmasness. So we have got our lovely, beautiful Christmas topper sheet there, and these come of course with the matching card to layer them up on top of as well. So you're going to receive 2 different backgrounds by the looks of things, and your 1 topper sheet in this set. Beautiful imagery. We're going to skip past those and come back to those in a minute, so I want you to see these. So then we've got Father Christmas coming out of the chimney, or going down the chimney maybe. He's got a sack full of goodies, so it looks like he's heading down. Then we've got some beautiful Father Christmas imagery here as well. And we've got a beautiful robin coming through on that one. Now, I know it's early for Christmas, it's only March, but you've been asking for it, so we've been buying it in. Because we know that you like to be crafting for Christmas way before Christmas is around. Because we have an awful lot to do, and we've got to get on it, haven't we? We've got to get it sorted, we've got to get organised. Now, these are returning sheets. These are some of our most popular ones. These are kind of the teenage years collection. So we've got, as you can see, like a pizza party going on. We've got bowling, we've got technology and footwear and all of those kind of bits that you kind of associate with teenagers. There is also some beautiful flowers returning. There is another brand new Christmas design here of that gorgeous Christmas tree in that beautiful hallway. Then we've got this one. Look at this. This is another beautiful scene ready for Christmas. And then Father Christmas this time is in his toy shop, getting ready for the big day. So another one that's been added into our brand new items as well. Then on top of that, talking of things that are new, recently we bought in the Diamond Sparkles glitter card from Hunkydory, and already the silver and the black have sold out, so we've bought those back in stock as well. Then another item that I have a feeling you might see Laura working with soon is the wonderful waterfalls. These again take on the little pocket pad imagery onto the waterfall mechanisms. In the packs you receive 16 different sheets, as you can see, different colours, so that you can build those up and create the most stunning waterfall elements. Instructions of course are included to make it super simple for you, and of course you don't have to use them with the little pads, but if you wish to, they're going to work a treat. Now as we move into box number 4, we're nearly done, I promise. Nearly done, nearly for all of the goodies. We've got these ones coming back in stock. Now, you're going to know if you watch our unboxing videos, every time we order from Hunkydory, pretty much, we buy more of these. That shows just how popular they are. And of course, it shows what great value we are because they keep selling now. Then we've got the construction glue coming back in stock as well. So that's the little one. We also do the large one. Something else we added to our last order, which was new, are these cool little stands. I'm going to show you one of these so you can see what they are if you've not seen them before. These are the Hunkydory glue stands. So once you've opened your glue, you can stand your glue in it, and that way the glue is already at the tip. They also, like a jigsaw puzzle, connect side by side. So maybe it's other Hunkydory glues, maybe it's other brands of glues, but you can stand your glues side by side on your desk and then they're always ready to go, which is something we love. Those again, back in stock. Then we have got our washi tape, or our low tack tape I should say, sorry. This is a different size pack for us because they were out of the big pack. So we've got some little ones just to make sure you're not out of it and needing it. They're coming in. Then we've got anti-static pads. These are new to us from Hunkydory. We've not had the Hunkydory ones before. These are the ones you wipe over before you put your embossing powders on to make sure you don't have any embossing powders in the way. Then scissors. These come and go every single time we do an unboxing video, so you will see that there is lots of those. We do the small, the medium and the large, and it is nice to see the small ones returning. Then we've got gems coming out of the box. These of course are the diamond sparkles, and they're gems and pearls, and you're going to see a few different varieties of these. Lots of these are returning ones. The soft greens are beautiful, your metallics, your jewel tones for Christmas, and then look at these clear glitzy ones with that multifaceted top. They are beautiful. They are the crystal shimmer gems. They are really, really lovely. Then we move on, and we've got these. These are new to us, and these are here by request. These are alcohol marker workbooks. So these are ring-bound workbooks that take you through and they tell you how to colour and teach you how to colour. So on each page you follow the instructions to blend and create beautiful effects using your Hunkydory markers to take you through to show you how to get the best out of your pens and how to colour with alcohol markers. Full education, easy to follow instructions, and a great way to make sure that you now know how to colour like a pro. You will also find that we've got more of the instruction booklets coming in as well. Lots of those for Prism alcohol markers, for the Prism brush markers, all different bits. Now, talking of new books, I was chatting to Amy the other day, and she is so pleased to have her very first Adorable Scoreable book out. This is volume number 9, if I remember rightly, in the collection of Adorable Scoreable books. We have as many of them in stock as we possibly can do. As you can see, Amy's is a brand new one that we're unboxing right now in front of you, and is now available for you to get your hands on. I think that's going to go very, very quickly. Don't dilly-dally if you like the look of that. Now, to finish this off, we have got even more of those little mini pads coming out of the very last box. Some of these are returning, some of them are brand new, including a very, very cool Christmas pad. This is the spirit of Christmas, and as you can see, beautiful imagery running through that one. And then this one I think might be new to us as well, the Feline Fabulous pad with the beautiful cat images. And that completes all 4 boxes of Hunkydory goodness here at Craft Mania. Now, again, if you've got your eye on any of these items, they are now available in store. Craft Mania is located at 5 Hewitt Road, Gapton Hall Industrial Estate, Great Yarmouth, Norfolk. Or, of course, if you're elsewhere in the world or not close to us here in Norfolk, you can pop online, you can find all of these goodies. And, of course, you've got that 10% off Hunkydory straight away. You then get your free UK P&P if you spend over £15. And on top of that, you're going to get your Inner Circle reward points too. Now, once again, in the description to this video, you will find the link to be able to head on to the Hunkydory page where all of this little lot is located for you already, along with, I think, about 400 other product lines from Hunkydory. But while you're there, do have a little look around, because as I said earlier, we carry over 10,000 different items from many leading brands in the craft industry. So if you'd like to, have a little browse, see what you can find, fill your baskets, qualify for your free UK P&P, and get those Inner Circle reward points collecting so that you can go up those tiers and get even bigger savings. Now, as always, if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments and I'll do my very best to answer them for you. And I look forward to seeing you again soon for our next unboxing video here at Craft Mania. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.